Hey guys, Roger with Grower Solution. I wanted to explain a little bit better how our sale is going to work. What we're doing is you're getting free shipping on the orders over $2,500. Now, let's just talk about how much that could mean to you. And we're going to use the Mississippi River as a good way to talk about it. If it is east of the Mississippi, you're looking at saving $450 to $650 just on like a 16 or a 20 by 32 house. It's even more with a larger house, but shipping is just ridiculously expensive now because these do come on a freight truck. The other thing is west of the Mississippi, and there's kind of two chunks there. There's Colorado, that could be 600 to 800, and then of savings on a $2,500 to $3,000 sale. Or if you go all the way to the West Coast, like Northern California or up in the Pacific Northwest, 800 to $1,000. We've seen them get pretty expensive. I mean, freight keeps going up just like everything else. But I wanted to explain that to you, make sure you understood that. Thank you so much. Give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about a greenhouse and take advantage of this free shipping because it is a good deal. See you guys.